One of the easiest ways to come up with content is to think about what are some questions that your prospects have. Video can be somewhat of a big apple to take a bite out of if you're a business owner or a salesperson that's never done it before. So in today's video, I'll hopefully give you a strategy that will allow you to see content in a different light, to allow you to make content more easily and more often. I'm doing it right now. I'm making content, and Andy's back here behind the camera shooting from a second shot. And what our strategy is around making content is I sit down and chop up a bunch of videos at one time. A lot of times people get freaked out because they're like, oh, I gotta make a video a day. You don't necessarily have to. I've talked about this in other videos, but there's two worlds that run at the same time. There's the online world and then there's the real world. So while I'm here shooting video today with Andy on a Friday afternoon, you might be watching this a year from now at 8:30 at night while you're eating popcorn or maybe less healthy stuff. Put it down. Just joking. Content doesn't have to be difficult. You literally can pull this thing out right here. You know, while we have got a teleprompter set up and lights and cameras and all this kind of stuff, you literally only need your phone. You can go to your social media platform, Facebook, Instagram. Most of them, honestly, you don't even have to record the video anymore. They have a live video feature that you can just pull out your phone, tap it, and go. One of the easiest ways to come up with content is to think about what are some questions that your prospects have. So like I had a guy one time, he's an insurance agent. He's like, man, you know, should I make videos about like insurance? And I'm like, no, who's your target customer? Well, truckers and tree companies. Great, make videos about that. What's the videos they should want to know? So instead of making a video about what's the liability limit mean on your insurance policy, you should say, here's the liability limit that all tree companies should have as an absolute minimum. It's just a small little spin, but it helps you tailor your content to what your people actually want to see, read, or hear. Video content is really simple when you get down to it. It just takes lots of practice. So that's the other thing I'll give you as a strategy is go ahead and just hit the record button and make some videos. No one says you have to post them. I probably have 3 times the amount of videos saved on my laptops and on my phones that I do actually online, either on Facebook or my YouTube channel. Just because you record it doesn't mean you have to post it. It's perfectly okay to record a video, say, man, that one was really, really bad. Let me try it again. Record the same video 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It's just like we tell little kids, practice makes perfect. And while videos will never be perfect, practice does help. So use those techniques and strategies to help optimize your content, put more content out there to help you grow your business and your bottom line. Here's to your success. Hey guys, it's Coach Carroll. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you click right here to subscribe to the channel to be notified when we drop new videos. Over here's the video that I recommend you watch next. And last but not least, over here you can click to get my free book, Phenomenal Phone Calls. We'll see you in the next video. Here's to your success.